Celebrity vlogger and influencer Big Boy Cheng makes it look effortless, from running his multiple businesses to his jaw-dropping collection of toys, sneakers, and high-end art pieces. So, what is next for the king of Secret Fresh? Big Boy Cheng joins us now live in the studio on The Final Word. Kasama rin natin si Mahal Kita.
By artist Winnie P. Sir Rico, hello sa'yo. Miss na kita, sir.
Nako, na-miss na rin kita, Big Boy. Marami kang mga collaborations dito sa Secret Fresh. Paano mo nagagawa ito?
We talk to the artists. We collab with artists and companies because we have also apparel. So yeah, scheduling a year ahead so we can work on with the artists and the design. So yun, good scheduling lang. Of course, good relationship with the artists.
Oo. Yeah. And how many collaborations with artists have you already had?
Sa tingin ko, it's mga 100.
100 collaborations?
Almost 100 already, yeah, Sir Rico.
Well, pero Big Boy, kayang-kaya mo ba yan? Talking to all of these 100 plus artists, tapos you wear so many hats. Collector ka, businessman, vlogger, influencer, on YouTube, on many social media. Paano mo hinahati yung oras mo? How do you divide your responsibilities?
Good scheduling talaga, and also yung by day, may oras mag-YouTube, may oras mag-Instagram, making reels. So, yung good people, yung mga taga-video mo, yung mga taga-arrange mo ng mga gamit. So, yun, dapat maganda yung blending.
So, pagdating mo sa opisina, organize na lahat ang schedule mo for the day.
Food, toys, meeting tayo, design ng t-shirt, meeting with artists. So, minsan hindi na maayos pero okay naman everyday, nagagawa ko naman.
May time ka pa ba for the family business? Alam ng lahat
of course,
that your family business makes mattresses, Uratex. Ano naman ang tulong mo doon?
Bali, yes, I do talk to customers. Pag visit sa kanila, visit naman mga customers to us. Tapos help market Uratex. Do hostings in company events, like we did for the Guinness Book of Records.
Paano nangyari yon? Kaninong idea yon? How did that idea crop up?
Yeah, kami ni pinsan ko, Steven, tsaka yung my son, who both of them works at Uratex. So we were eating lunch, so I told them, somebody send me the one from Brazil.
2019 mattresses and people.
So why not we do it? Because we're... Pero sa atin, Sir Rico, 2,355.
Oo nga eh.
Because it's 55 years Uratex, 2023. And we did it. Yeah, nagawa natin in one try.
And in one venue.
Yes.
Diba? How long did it take to organize itong try nyo for a Guinness World Record?
Bali, the team did mga 6 months preparation. Tapos for the event, the domino, it finished like mga 20 minutes. Tagal, di ba?
Tagal. Tapos natapos in 20 minutes.
Yes, and we donated 2,355 mattress to 50 charities.
So, it's not just about making money, Big Boy, but it's also giving back to charities and to our kababayans who are in need.
Yes, Sir Rico, yun yung priority. Pero maganda rin kasi yung bonding ng event. It's all about fun. Yung mga customer namin, makapunta, ma-witness nila, mga tao. So bonding, Uratex family together. At the same time, gumawa tayo ng world record. Tapos giving to the people.
And you've had so many of these collaborations, but you have collaborated with a national treasure. One of our national artists, our only living national artist for the visual arts,
Ben Cabrera.
Ben Cabrera. Paano mo na ko-convince si Ben Cab na yung art niya are in turntables, in t-shirts? Because most of them, yung medium is either prints or on canvas.
Bali, ngayon talagang dapat sa artist is... actually, si Tito Ben gumawa dito niyan. He makes sculptures, glassware. So, dapat talaga may merchandising ang artist, may marketing. So, ngayon natututo na lahat ng artist dito, pati yung mga ibang shop na nagme-merchandising. So, katulad mga iba, gagawang apparel, yung turntables, speakers para sa iPhone, yung gano'n. Tapos may artwork. So, yun, natututo. And open naman si Tito Ben dyan. Gustong-gusto niya yung mga new things. Mahilig siya sa turntable. So, gumawa kami ng turntable. Mahilig siya sa sculpture. Gumawa rin kami ng art toy. So, maganda, magkasundo kami ni Tito Ben at saka very open siya on doing new things for the next generation, for the present and next generation.
Saan pa ba natin makikita ang trabaho ni Ben Cab, hindi ba?
Watch out next, may surprise kami sa iyo, Rico.
Pero, would you really advise other established visual artists na pumasok rin and to diversify their art apart from canvas, paper, and print?
Yeah, if they're not busy doing what they love to do, if they have extra time and when pag gusto nila, then do it. Maganda talaga, may merchandise sila, may tote bag sila.
May sweatshirt.
Yes, may sweatshirt, hoodie, yung mga ganun, toys. Pero pag gusto lang nila. Pero, they can concentrate on the work. Pero this one is fun. Tapos at the same time, it's a livelihood na rin.
I see Secret Fresh has really expanded in apparel at ang dami-dami ninyong mga designs. Who comes up with these ideas and designs, and how do you know that ito talaga yung market nyo for these kinds of designs?
Yeah, we have a design team na kasundo namin na we pick designers na maganda yung flow namin sa design. At the same time, I work with Ben Chan, idol ko. So it's a dream come true na partners kami sa Secret Fresh Apparel, which is in Rockwell, Green Hills, and the website. So maganda yung design kasi maganda yung working environment namin. Same yung page namin sa mga designs na medyo yung mga artistic. So yun, kaya tayo nakaka-produce ng magandang damit. And at the same time, nagbobotohan kami ano yung mga design na ilalabas namin at hindi.
At importante rin, hindi lang yung maganda yung design, pero maganda rin yung quality ng shirt, hindi ba?
Talaga,
yung materials.
Sir Rico, study mo talaga yan ng ilang buwan. Actually, hindi ilang buwan, isang taon. Papalit-palit ka hanggang ma-perfect mo yung perfect na tela.
Oo. Nakakapunta ako sa Secret Fresh, sa Makati, at saka sa Green Hills.
Yes, Sir Rico.
And almost on a weekly or bi-weekly basis, ang dami mong mga exhibit. How do you also choose the artists to be exhibited at Secret Fresh? And do they have to be known artists?
Hindi. Bali, isa sa mga Secret Fresh, isa sa mga stepping stone ng young artists with the influx of veteran artists like Ben Cab, like Barrio Quinto, Ronald Ventura, Luis Lorenzana. So, tayo stepping stone tayo. Lalo na ngayon, mabilis na makadiscover dahil sa Facebook, Instagram, social media. Tapos mga iba, recommendation. So, meron tayong curator, ako, tsaka yung gallery manager natin. Kami pumipili lahat and kami rin nag-schedule.
At saka hindi lang yung contemporary art, pero you've also branched out into graffiti art.
Yeah, street art. Yeah.
Street art. Andyan na si Egg Fiasco. At saka si Quicks.
Yeah, nandiyan si Quicks, Egg Fiasco. Ang dami na sila, JJ Zamoranos, Nemo Aguila. So, doon tayo nagsimula, Sir Rico, street art.
Oo. At saka nakapasok na sila into the mainstream art world.
Yeah, isa na lang ngayon, masaya naman ngayon, sama-sama lahat. So, yun, art is for everybody. So, yun yung nangyari ngayon.
Hindi lang art, hindi lang toys. Alam ng lahat. Napakalaki and napaka-comprehensive ng sneaker and toy collection mo. Pero, pagkain din. You also rate food.
Bali, accidental food vlogger ho. Bali, yung pandemic, before pandemic, nagpapadala sa'yo, naalala ko, Serenity. Tapos, tapos sinubukan ko lang mag-video. So, after nun, yung nag-video ko, pinost ko, ang dami na nagpapadala. Hanggang a day, meron 15 na klase. Pero nga, kita nyo naman, lumaki. So ngayon, ini-schedule ko na. Lalo na ngayon, nag-aayap pa ako.
Tapos may ratings ka pa, pero hindi pwedeng sabihin.
Hindi pwedeng sabihin, CNN to eh. So, sa gabi ko nilang pinapadala yung food ko ngayon.
So, pero nababasa ko rin, I'm sure sa 50 na yan, sinabi nila, Big Boy, all you have to do is to talk about it and rate it. Libre ba lahat itong pagkain na ito?
Libre lahat.
Libre lahat.
Libre lahat. Pero minsan, nagbabayad ako. Siyempre, hindi ako nagpapalibre, ayaw ko yun. So, alam na mga food chains yun or sino man. Kung libre, thank you. Pero pag need bayaran, babayaran ko naman. Tapos rate lang natin.
Alam mo, Big Boy, with the Eurotex empire that your family started, hindi mo na kailangan talagang magtayo ng mga negosyo. What is your advice sa ating mga kababayan na nanonood ngayon na who want to start their own business?
Ayan, kailangan, Sir Rico, think 100 times. Kasi siyempre, masakit kunyari, inipo mo, sabay malugi sa negosyo. So, yung be careful with your money, be careful on your investment. Huwag magastos katulad ko. Yun yung number 1 lesson.
Pero kumikita ka rin, yung kinikita mo, ginagastos mo, and you share it with a lot of people.
So, yun yung advice ko talaga na yung think talaga kung papasok kayo sa negosyo or mag-work kayo kasi mahirap pumasok sa negosyo, mahirap malugi. Masakit malugi.
Okay, negosyo yan. What about yung gustong maging social media influencer katulad ni Big Boy Cheng?
Bali ako, I just went with the flow. Bali, have fun. Yun na importante. Have fun. Tapos perks na yung kumita ka. Yun ang una-una kailangan. You're having fun. Nakakatulong ka sa tao. Tapos yun, perks na nga yung kumita ka ng pera. Thank you sa ganito, sa mga gifts. So yun yung akin. Go with the flow. Tapos have fun. Ganun.
So pagkatapos ni Mahal Kita, Jose's really met because this is a Singaporean toy and made in Singapore. Ano ba mga susunod natin mga projects?
Marami tayong projects sa itong year, for next year also, mga art toys din, mga apparel. We just had Evo helmets. Evo
Helmets for
motorcycles, scooters.
Oo.
We'll be having Angkas, ex-Secret Fresh.
Oo. Collab.
Collab. So marami pa tayong gagawin. Non-stop to, masaya to.
Masayang-masaya talaga
Yes, dapat,
sa Secret
yeah.
Fresh.
Thank you, Sir
Maraming
Rico.
salamat.
Thank you, Sir Rico.
Big Boy Cheng.
Thank you.